Today I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges into the Canon PIXMA MG3620. This how-to video also applies to these printer models here. And the compatible cartridges are these here. Let's get started. Ensure that your printer is turned on. When it is on, you can proceed to opening both its cover and output tray. Wait for the cartridge holder to stop moving. The head cover will then automatically open. Use the cartridge lock lever to release the cartridge. Pull the cartridge towards you. If you are installing the ink cartridge on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the placeholder plastic tabs before you try to install the ink cartridges. If you are replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. You can even take your empty cartridges to an office supply store near you, or mail them into the printer manufacturer, free of charge for them to recycle the empty ink cartridges. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. For this printer, your color ink is located farthest on the left, followed by your black ink, which will be on the far right. Now, insert the ink cartridge at a slight angle into the ink cartridge holder as shown. Then, press the bottom of the ink cartridge down until it clicks into place. If it is not fitting in easily, check to make sure you have it the right way up and that you are inserting it into the correct slot. Be careful not to touch the gold contact points on the cartridge, or it may damage the cartridge. Before printing, you should have the paper output cover closed. Simple as pie. Now you've installed one ink cartridge. Now you'll need to install the other colors the same way you just installed that last one. After you replace all the cartridges that need replacing, close the scanner bed. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the cartridges being in place and process them to begin the printing process. All done. Now you're ready to print.